Hey, this is Doug Fireball, and welcome back to a little 2-minute nugget here. And, Jody and I have been talking, and one of the things that we believe that you must first and foremost understand is that social media and Web 2.0 is not necessarily about what people are saying about you. You're going, what? How can that be? Well, it's pretty simple. In social media and Web 2.0, it's not what people are saying about you. Yes, you wanted them saying nice things and good things about you, but it's more importantly, what are they saying for you? Because one of the challenges that we have is we always focus in on, I want people to say nice things about me or great things about my product. I don't. I want them to, that's understood. That's got to happen. I want them to be saying things for me. And what I mean by that is I want them to be an evangelist for our training products, an evangelist, if you will, for socialmediatrainingnetwork.com, an evangelist for passionfire.com. This is what you need to do. You need to understand that, yes, you want people talking about you, but you want people talking for you, talking about your products, talking about your website, talking about your blog in a very powerful way. And the only way that's going to happen is for you to give what we call surprising value. It's value so unexpected that it surprises them, whether it's content, whether it's information, or whether it's just revealing things on the internet they didn't know were there. If you continually do this daily and relentlessly, then people not only will be talking about you, but they will start talking for you and telling people for you about the value that you have, the training that you have, the products that you have, the opportunity that you have, and that's what you want. Because the more that people talk, not just about you, but for you, the more you're going to see your business grow. This is Doug and Jody Fireball from passionfire.com and socialmediatrainingnetwork.com. And guys, let me tell you, if you're looking for good Web 2.0 training and good social media specific for home businesses, come by socialmediatrainingnetwork.com. You're going to love it. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos, audios, posts, PowerPoints to teach you this amazing new arena on the internet called social media. Thank you, guys. God bless you.